guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Panibagong vlog na naman tayo. Kagising lang namin. So, day off pala namin ngayon guys. At, say hi to the vlog, babe.
Hello guys, good morning! Good morning everyone!
Good morning! So, yun nga. So, day off namin ngayon.
Yes!
Wala kaming plans, but saan ba gusto mong pumunta, babe?
I don't know, it's up to you. You're the driver.
Pamasahe tayo?
Sure! Gusto ko yan!
Sige, pamasahe daw kami guys. So, stay tuned. So, today is ano pala? January 16. Tama na? January 16? Oh, happy birthday to my uncle in Hamilton, Ontario. Uncle Ron, happy birthday!
Birthday, Uncle!
Kapatid siya ng mama ko, Nald Biliran Balbin. Tapos, happy birthday din Ate Debbie. Oh. Nanay, happy birthday. Nasa ano lang siya, nasa baba lang siya. Baka pupunta kami mamaya guys. So, ano kami, kakain kami. Ano ba? Sige, so, yun lang. Happy birthday to you guys. So, magkakape lang muna tayo guys. Yan. Ito siguro. Favorite ko. Pike's Place. Favorite namin ni Mafe. Wait lang. So, lactose free yung milk ko guys kasi lactose intolerant tayo. Yun. So, buti dito may may creamer sila na lactose free. Kasi ayoko talaga sa tawag nito, almond milk tsaka yung mga soy milk. Ayoko nun. Yan. So, milk lang ang kay baby. Kasi ayaw niya mag-coffee. Yan. Mik-mik.
Milk.
Yan, so nagre-ready na po tayo guys. Kunin ko lang yung sombrero ko. Yan. Shout out pala kay sa kaibigan namin from Montreal. Taga Lobok din siya, Lobok, Bohol. Christian Jan Sumampong. Punta lang tayo saglit. Punta tayo sa mall. Tapos magla-lunch. Tapos diretso tayo sa sa massage.
Yay!
Masahe tayo kasi masakit na ang likod natin.
Yeah. Miss ko na yung massage. It's been 4 years. No, 3 years. Almost 3 years.
Grabe yun sa snow na naman talaga. Kitang-kita nyo naman sa likod namin, no? Kitang-kita nyo ata yan, no?
snowing.
Grabe. So biglang nagbago na yung asawa ko, guys. Gusto daw niyang ano, nag-crave siya ng fries tsaka pancake. Baka buntis siguro to. Oh, yan. So punta tayo ngayon sa sa McDo. Nasaan mo yung car, babe? Big Mac. Yun. Tapos na tayong kumain. Let's go! Ay. Ayan na, guys, so nandito na tayo sa Orchid. Dito tayo magpapamassage. Babe. Ayan na, excited na si Bibi.
I'm so excited to pamper myself. Oh my God.
Excited? Okay, we're done, guys. Babe, so how's the experience?
It's so relaxing.
So yun nga, guys, hindi kami makapag-vlog sa loob kasi hindi din kasi sure yung nasa counter na pwede bang mag-vlog. Kaya hindi na lang namin tinuloy. Para parang privacy din. Marami kasi silang yung massage dito, maraming type. Yung pag-relaxation lang. Pag-relaxation, yun yung yung magpapamasahe ka. Like sa Pinas, yung mga Thai massage yun, mga relaxation yun. Meron din sila nun, pero yung sa amin, yung namin is yung titirahin yung mga pag may tension. Yan, so kukunin namin yung mga kids
sa daycare.
Sa daycare.
After daycare. After school daycare.
Yung anak nila, ni
Kuya Yong and Ate Debbie.
Debbie.
They're so cute, guys.
Where's Yobi? Huh?
Where's your stuff?
Where's your stuff?
That guy pick us up from school and we leave her at the car.
Oh, it's not their car. Yeah. Okay. There we go. So what did you do inside?
We played that goose and
Yeah.
tag and it's tag.
Oh, Ate Yobs, hi! Let's go. Oh, you don't feel cold?
Yeah, I'm hot.
You're hot.
Because we played tag tag and duck goose.
Oh. Tag like this. Tag.
Your bag, your car is bigger.
Yeah. Interesting.
I think so.
Wait, you don't have booster?
No.
Tate didn't. Yeah, no, that's okay.
Why would I bring a booster to the beach?
Come here.
A,
Oh.
a booster at the beach is free.
You're big enough to ride a car, right?
I think so.
Ah!
That's yeah.
You have to be at least 8. You're almost 8.
I am 8.
You're 8. Okay.
The door seat is so short.
Hi. Yeah. Sabi, where are you, Sab?
Hello.
Huh? Okay, ready?
Yep.
Seatbelts on.
Yep.
Where's your seatbelt, Sab?
He's here. It's here.
There you go. What are you doing?
I'm just youngest. And this is
You're what?
and I am the oldest. I don't have kissy face, sexy and vulnerable. I try to kiss you look for real. Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? Sleep tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. Are you
What movie are we gonna watch?
working too?
No, you're not allowed. We promised. We promised to Nanay.
So what?
Oh no.
Give me!
No.
Yes!
No.
Yes!
Hey, do you want Nana will gonna scold us?
Blame it on me!
Nanay will scold us. Sab, what movie are we gonna watch? Sab.
Game 2. Squid Game 2.
What? You guys like Squid Game? You're too young to watch that.
No, we watched the Squid Game 1
With Nanay?
No.
With who?
when my cousins were. No? Nana, Papa was at Singapore. Where's the kids? Wait, what is it?
See?
Sabi! Sabi! Let's do it with
Should we tell Nanay that you watch Squid Game?
No.
No.
Don't tell her.
Don't tell her. Why? She's gonna get angry. She's gonna get angry.
Tell her I'm just sleeping.
No, we fast forwarded, right? You were only watching the games. You're only watching the game part. Oh wow, how did you do that? I can't do it. We only watch the game parts, right? And whenever there's a gunshot, you will cover your eyes, right, Sab?
I almost did it. Where?
How How the? How did you do that? Ben, look at her. Ben, look at Yogi's tongue. How did you do the flowery? I can't even do it.
No, you didn't.
Okay, let's go to your house. Let's go to your house. Yeah, I'm gonna bring the chicken. I should wear my day to you. Nani, oh! Okay. Saan si Kuya Yong? Ay, trabaho pa din si Kuya Yong, ah. Happy birthday! What are you cooking, ate? Oh, hey, what's this? Oy! Giniling! Wow! May Santo Niño pala sila, guys. Oh. Magpretitit, tita, ate. Magpretitit, tita. Pretitit!
This is Mama's.
Oh! Hey, happy birthday! Oh. Oh, Sab! You want mango? Dried mangoes? You want dried mangoes? It's really her favorite, you know? You eat it. What? Bye, yo. Bye, Sab. Mwah. Love you. Happy birthday. Thank you, Dad. Okay, back to our house na. Time check, it's 9:45. 9:45. So, yun lang yung day off namin, guys. More on, ano lang, kung wala kaming plans, dito lang kami sa bahay. Chill lang.
Mas maganda kasing mag-chill sa bahay.
Dito lang.
Tumatanda na kasi guys, kaya yun. Pa-chill-chill na lang sa bahay.
Yun nga, kung minsan mag-grocery kami pag day off kasi especially pag maubusan kami ng stock dito sa bahay. Usually nag-grocery kami during day offs namin. Ngayon, nagkataon na may appointment kami. So, we'll be honest to you guys na yung massage is nagpa-appointment kami nun. So, lahat dito, magpapa-dental po kayo, magpapa yung eyeglass, hindi po sila, pwede kang pumasok sa, pero I would say, walk-in, but, i-schedule ka nila. Yun.
Booking pa rin.
So, kailangan schedule lahat. Hindi gaya sa Pinas na pwede ka lang pumasok doon sa gawaan nila ng glasses doon. Check up. Dito, sa amin, sa Bohol, sa Ideal Vision. Dito, kailangan mo, iba yung mag-check up sa mag-eye exam na doktor. Tapos, iba din yung pagawaan ng glasses nila. Yun, so nagpa-book kami a week before.
Pero cover naman po siya ng insurance.
Oh, yun kasi guys, may insurance kami, yun yung isa sa benefits sa work namin, kaya
yun yung kinaganda guys, pag may nakuha kang trabaho
full time,
may benefits kayong makukuha, may pension, something like that.
Yun, pag full time kayo sa work, yun yung benefits. A week before, nagpa-schedule kami guys para sa massage. Ngayon yung schedule namin sa massage therapy. 1:30. Ngayon, nagkataon na yun, pinick up namin yung mga bata sa daycare.
Kasi yung mga magulang nila nagtatrabaho.
Si Kuya yung nagtatrabaho. Tapos kami yung
Co-guardian.
Parang ganoon pa. Yun yung nilagay nila dun sa daycare nila Ate Debbie tsaka Kuya Yung, na kung wala sila, may trabaho sila, kami yung magpipick up sa mga bata. Kailangan
Pwede tayong
pwede kaming mag-pick up sa mga bata. Pero
kasi
kailangan
nilagay din naman nila, guys, na they consented na pwede namin silang pick upin yung mga bata. Kasi hindi yung dito, hindi pwedeng basta-basta na lang kung sinong kumuha. So, kailangan
Hindi.
i-register din yung mga magpipick up sa mga bata. So, aside sa kanilang mga parents.
Kailangan nila ID. Pero ngayon, hindi nila kaya kasi kilala na kami dun sa sa daycare. Tsaka yung mga bata, sobrang close namin. Nakita nyo man sa video kanina, yung maliit. Tsaka yung si Yobi, diretso lang sa amin. Yun lang siguro masasabi namin ngayon, guys. Yung hindi pa nakasubscribe, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Please hit like, hit the notification bell as well para updated kayo sa mga future videos namin.
And thank you for subscribing, guys.
So, yun lang po, guys. Maraming salamat po sa mga panonood. Till our next video. Salamat.
Good night.
Bye-bye.